Hello my dear viewer, now I will show you how to create an Outlook email and complete it. Open your browser and go to outlook.com. This is an awesome site. Click Create Free Account. Here type your email ID name. And here select one option, outlook.com or hotmail.com. Microsoft uses 2 domains for them, you can use any of them. Then next, in this window here you create your password. Your password should strong use upper and lower case characters and use special character to complex your password. Then next, in this window here type your first name and last name. Alright. Then next, in this window here select your country and select your birthday. Then next, verify CAPTCHA for prove real person. Enter the zigzag character here. Then next, it takes you to your inbox. Almost done. Now complete this instruction one by one for work well your email ID. First, confirm your time zone. Click here OK. Now insert your contact list if you have any. Or skip it. Now send a first message. Click here. Compose your email and send it. To send the first email you need to verify your ID. To verify select your county and type here your mobile number then send code. A code sends to your number then enter the code here. Then click Verify button. Here you may require fill up a CAPTCHA. again verify. Now send your message. By this option you can set up email on your mobile phone. You can set up this option here. Upgrade to Office App 365 if you need, you can set up this here. And last use of Office app, it is free for all Outlook user. You can use it in an online version of your email. Thank you for watching this video.